Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a playlist on Spotify. So go to your library and press the plus button on the top right corner of your screen. Here you can give your playlist a name. I'm going to name mine Memory. Oops. You can name it anything, anything you want. Press create, and here you can add songs by pressing the add songs button. For instance, I listened to Party in the USA when I was like a child or something. I listened to like a lot of Miley Cyrus Hannah Montana songs, so I'm just going to add that in, maybe some High School Musical songs too. But that's basically it. You can add a cover by pressing the three dots and pressing edit and pressing change image, and you can even add a description like my childhood. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!